This is right now, guys, approximately at 3 minutes past 4 in the morning in Porthmadog. The wind is atrocious. Had a few things coming down. I'm surprised the electricity hasn't even been cut off yet. And I'm sorry about the condensation, guys. Yes, 3 minutes past 4, approximately Saturday morning, earlier Saturday morning. The wind is absolutely atrocious. If you're out there or going out there tomorrow morning, please be safe. Please take care of yourself. We are on red alert in North Wales. Oh, a noise. Oh, that's the bin. Look, the red bin. I'd like to show you more, guys, but I'm not putting my window down in this weather.